Pointers in 59 seconds. To understand what a pointer is, let's first understand how memory works. In our example, memory has an address and a value. The address is the location of the memory. The value is the data stored at that location. For example, this means the value 8 lives at location Hollywood Boulevard. Now, let's create a pointer. This means the value Hollywood Boulevard lives at location Las Vegas Strip. Simply put, a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Syntax. Declaration. The asterisk is used beside the type. The ampersand is used to get the memory address of a variable. This declares a pointer. Dereferencing. The asterisk is not used beside the type. This accesses the value at the memory address the pointer is pointing to. A null pointer is a pointer that doesn't point to any valid memory location. But why have pointers? These are a few reasons. Subscribe for informative and funny content. Thank you.